Hi, this is Jason from Livingprague, and today I'm going to show you how to use the touchscreen ticket machine. We're in the Steimeska metro station, that's the Old Town metro station, but you're going to see machines like these in all of the metro stations in Prague. I'm going to simulate exactly what a tourist would do. Let's say you want to buy two 30-minute tickets. So at the moment they're 24 crowns. What that means is you buy your ticket, you're going to validate it before you go into the metro station, and you have 30 minutes to complete your journey. Okay, so you're going to find a screen that looks like this. Sometimes it's a blank screen, in which case you need to touch the screen, but you're going to end up here. First thing you're going to do, oh, there's a blank screen there. So if you find one of these, first thing you're going to do is touch the screen. Next, you're going to select your language, Union Jack for English. Buy tickets, and you see here 30 minutes, 24 crown tickets. Okay, so let's touch that one. Now you decide how many you want. Okay, so let's say I want 2 tickets. I increase to 2, and when I'm ready, I go over here and I'm going to pay. Now, how do I pay? With a card or with coins? Today, I'm going to use coins. Okay. Now, at the top of the machine, here is your coin inlet.
Vážení cestující, pro snížení rizika nákazy koronavirem COVID-19 vás žádám.
On the screen, it's telling you that you're making a cash payment, and then at the bottom, it's going to drop your tickets and give you your change. So that's basically how you buy tickets from a touchscreen ticket machine using cash. You also have the option of using a debit card, credit card, which has contactless option on it. Okay, hope that helped. Send me an email if you've got any questions. Bye bye.